YouTube? Redbeard here again. Currently sitting in this super awesome limited platinum 2020 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to go over the dynamic cruise control and lane keeping system and how to use both in this vehicle. Let's get into it. First thing you want to do, turn that cruise control on. And you see it's indicated right there. I'm going to zoom back out here. Once you have set the speed that you want to go, you've got your dynamic cruise button right here. And zooming back in, that indicates your distance. So that's the furthest distance. A little closer, and back to the furthest. So the great thing about that is you can adjust that to your liking, and if someone brakes in front of you, it's going to slow the vehicle down very quickly. Just had this happen to me recently, actually. And then your lane keeping, you just push that button, and you can tell that that's on. You see these two lines right here. I'll zoom in just a little bit so it's a little easier to see. These two lines represent the lane keeping, and you can use that above 32 miles an hour. The dynamic cruise you can actually use at lower speeds, although it is not designed to do so. Toyota designed that to be 30 miles an hour and above, but you can use it for less speed. Hey, thanks again for watching this video. If you liked what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a quick thumbs up and show your support, and make sure you hit your bell notifications. If you have any questions about your current Toyota vehicle, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the box below. You can also leave comments down there, and I'll get to those questions rather quickly. Have a great day, and thank you again for watching.